Oh no! Yo! Lambo. Dude, the GTR. If y'all didn't see the last video of me and installing that splitter there, y'all need to know how to install the splitter, you know, make sure you go and check that out. God. Alright, welcome back. Today, we gotta go to King of Prussia. We head down there. It's supposed to be a popping meet down there. It's supposed to be wild. So, hopefully some supercars come out, something like that, because it is that type of area. But by the time you see the next time you see me, we'll be at the meet. Guys, it's a Lambo right there. I'm in the right place. I lied. Okay.
I love that.
It's lit. Where I'm at. Look at my children here. Look at the truck. Look at the Tahoe.
This gonna be you?
No.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, he got the whole light show going on. I see you. Oh, it looked even better when it got dark. I'm guessing these are the cars that hosted it. Audi TT. Know this M3. I feel like I know who this is. My man Jay. This car look clean though.
It's not gonna need the front gears.
You got the rosé right there. That's rosé in the middle, y'all. Yeah, I know my drinks. I don't drink them, but you know, I know my drinks. Damn. Oh, all the Mopars. All the boats came in. It's stupid amounts of cars still coming. This shit is crazy. Oh. B, okay. Who texting me right now? D, you coming in? Okay, playing with the lights. I like it. Don't see you. Oh! He almost banged out. I think I got it on camera. Damn. They definitely be having the best cars. Old men. They be like middle-aged men. They got their young 20-year-old girlfriend in there. There's still people coming in. This is crazy. Yo.
Oh yeah,
they brought everything
one
up.
person.
Hellcat. Hellcat. Come on, man, I gotta get the Hellcat. Let me get this shot. Let me get this shot. Yo, Justin, you good?
Easy.
Damn.
Damn, I need me one of these gens. I was thinking of getting the wing. their wing and put it on my
Yeah,
car?
look at this rat. Hold on, let me get this. This is gonna be my thumbnail, maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, trying to steal people's cars.
Maybe I'll go ahead and get down here. RT. The wrap on this is crazy. He got the carbon fiber hood. They in Jersey?
Yeah.
Oh, I follow him on the gram. Damn.
That's right.
I ain't
Feel it.
Oh, who this?
I don't know. He got them demon eyes though. He real sneaky with it. Damn. Peep the headlights. Y'all don't even dig it. They change colors. Oh, it's still people coming in. Yo.
That's what got us down for a penny.
Oh my God. Can't park nowhere.
It's the choppers that get in. I can't come in, it's the robbers that fit in. Rocks on my wrist and my eye got so many.
He can't figure. Oh, he made it. Damn, look at his exhaust. That one left. That one left.
How many niggas ain't got it?
I don't even know how the fuck I'm gonna get here. Oh, you leaving? Oh, he left. I hope he don't come back with reinforcements. So I guess we can stay here, but he still got his license. I don't know why he still got his license. Big ass truck. Damn. Oh, he different. Oh. Yo, he shot out. Oh shit. We've been out there, John.
Don't touch me. Work ahead.
He got the Evo and shit. Well, we missed our chance to leave. They not having it. Mopar boys don't care. Oh, we got the Bentley coming up. Oh, we got the Bentley out. Okay. Okay. The Bentley out. Okay. All right. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Oh no, he trying to do it. Oh no,
Yo.
he shot out.
Down 18.
They fucking just meet up. Ooh, got the girl in the Evo. Let me get the Mopar in there. Oh shit, he about to hit him. He definitely just kicked his car. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You don't gotta touch me. I'ma holler at him.
Oh man.
Watch him out.
Rashawn, what are you doing?
De-escalating the situation.
Oh. I knew that shit was gonna happen. I knew it.
Bro, there ain't no reason to kick the ball car, bro.
They get robbed. Oh.
Nah, don't do it. Can't do it. Don't do it.
Somebody about to fight.
Say you're a better fucking person. You can be a better fucking woman. You can say your side comments, but you won't say them to nobody.
They not gonna do shit. They all bitches. They all bitches. That's what I'm saying. Everybody can talk under their breath all the fuck they want. They're here. They're at our knee. What the fuck? Chill. Chill. I'll be chill.
Move out the way. Got him on here, got him. What's up, bro?
Send it. Nigga go right in the dick.
Smell like Johnson.
The Ram. That 98 Ram. Hold on.
You gotta say, Bill.
Here. My boy. Now you can go. Oh, shit.
I love this country.
No, I ain't. Huh?
They say something.
Oh, leave my man alone. That's why I'm trying to wait until it died down. And then, oh shit. And then I'm gonna leave. I wish I could have washed my car. My car look all dusty and dirty. They everywhere, yo. Everywhere, they knocking. Oh, they got to do with the GTR. Got him on the ground. Crazy. This is about to be like 3 fights. Like 5 people got arrested. Cops came, all them burnouts. A lot of hot cars came out. I'd say it's a successful outing. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more. And most importantly, oh my God, have a nice night.